It's her.
Hey, Esty, lower the light.
She doesn't want to get up.
Look at the spaceship.
I know, it's like this.
No, it's like out to the side.
Oh, I can't tell. 'Cause
Here. Wait, hold on.
Okay.
I'll tell them to do it again.
Oh, good. Oh, you'll tell. There you go.
Look at that. What is that?
He's he's chewing.
He wants to eat.
Hi, peekaboo.
Here.
What's coming out? The vomit?
Hello, cute boy. Hello, cute boy. Hello. 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 What the heck?
He's hysterical. I think
I've never seen that shape of his face.
he's biting on something.
Yeah, he's biting. You're
Yep,
right.
he's biting on
What's
his
that like?
gums because he's teething, Esty.
He wants to eat.
I'm telling you, he's teething.
Yoda.
That's what happened with the crying last night, probably.
Yeah, he's biting on the gums.
I have to do this. I have to give him Orajel and Tylenol.
That's